Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Anyway, so I checked my email one morning and found this really great deal from Neiman Marcus. It's their double your gift card event, but I think that it was only for a day. You have to get a piece of clothing in a bag or shoes. And with this purchase, I was able to spend $1,000 and I will be getting $300 gift certificate and use it towards my next purchase. So here I am unboxing the jacket I bought. It's warm and cozy Sherpa coat, but it just wasn't my size. I should have gotten a size small instead of medium. It would have been perfect for winter, and so I have to return it. Next, I'm going to unbox the other item that I ordered. And here's the receipt from Neiman Marcus. I've been eyeing on it for some time now, and finally I got it. I am so excited. Yes, it is a pair of sandals from Saint Laurent. Okay, so let's open it, and it comes with a care card and a piece of the heel cover. And that's just in case you break or lose one of them. And it also comes with 2 dust bags for each sandal. And here it is, the Saint Laurent Tribute leather stiletto sandals in 75 mm. Okay, so let me just take out the paper here. I got the size 38.5 and in color black with leather lining and sole. Oh my, these are really beautiful sandals. I'm so excited to try them on. So it has 4-inch covered heel. And the sandals rests on 1-inch platform with beveled front. Okay, so now I'm going to try them on. Well, they are very comfortable, which is very surprising for me because I have wide feet. I will return them too because they are small for my size. I should have gone up a half size bigger. In this photo, you'll see how the right sandal looks small on my foot, while the left seems okay. It's just weird. Well, I guess it was a failed purchase for me, but I can just wait for the next deals to come. And that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!